Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rachel and I'm a fashion reseller over on Poshmark. So today's video is going to be a really quick video. This is a Goodwill Blue Box. Goodwill has started doing these and they are kind of a mystery box, very similar to a ThredUp from what I've heard. So you pay $20 and you get anywhere from 10 to 12 items. It says they can range in price from $4 up to $100. So you really don't know what you're getting. You do get to pick the sizes. I got a medium. They were out of large and extra large, which I would have preferred, but I went with what they had. So they do sell out very quickly, so I encourage you to find them over on Instagram. They do post when they are restocking. So what I did is I set an alarm on my phone. It alerted me when they had the restocked boxes up, and then I went on there and purchased them. So they are $20 plus shipping. I think I ended up paying about $26 and some change for this box. I have not opened it. It came in just today, so it is a pretty big box. Like I said, 10 to 12 items. I do not know what's going to be in here, if it's going to be tops, pants, skirts. I don't know. They don't tell you any of that. They don't tell you brands or anything like that. So very curious to see what comes in this. It did come from Florida, in case you were wondering, and it did ship out really quickly. I want to say I ordered this about 5 days ago, and it just came in today. So comes in by FedEx, came pretty quickly. So we're going to go ahead and hop into this. I do apologize for my appearance. We're getting ready to go mudding in the Jeep, and so I just kind of threw my hair up and ready to go. Okay, here's some paperwork in here. Thanks for shopping Blue Box. Share your pictures or videos of your Blue Box on Instagram, Facebook, and receive 10% off your next order. Just tag us in your post and use coupon code ambassador. Well, that's cool. So there's this information. Okay, so yeah, here's the invoice. $19.99. Shipping was $6.99. Came out to $26.98. I do apologize if there's some background noise. My kids are upstairs, so. Alright, so I'm going to kind of show you what I'm seeing. I'm already unhappy. I see some stained clothing, and I see something that looks like a crib mattress. So, here's what I'm seeing. Just thrown in there. It does look like they folded it a little bit. Okay, first thing first, and this is what I see stains on. I'm hoping that comes up on camera. There's like a pretty heavy stain there. It is by Talbots, or Talbots. I think it's Talbots is how you pronounce it. But it's a medium petite. So, probably not going to sell very well being that size. It is nice. It's a nice material. But that stain, it looks like, I hope it shows up on camera. But it does look like a jean stain or something like that. Material is 100% cotton. Alright, so there's that. Probably yard sell that. Alright, next item. Okay, this is good. This is Vince Camuto. I've had a pretty good success with selling this brand on Poshmark. It's a sleeveless top. Hopefully I can kind of show you. It has some ruching here on the side. Looks to be in good condition. I don't see any flaws right offhand. Just feels like polyester. Yeah, 95% polyester. But, you know, Vince Camuto does pretty well, size medium. So I will probably list this for about $25 is usually about what I get for that brand. So even if I sold it for $25 minus the fees, I'll probably make maybe $17 on that. So that's not bad. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is what I saw, first of all. In there was this mesh top, and that's what I meant by it looked like a crib mattress. But this is really cool. So this is W by Worth, and I think it's the same brand that I have sold before and talked about in a previous video. The brand called Worth is very expensive. It retails for quite a bit, but it doesn't resell for as much, but it is new with tag. Unfortunately, it doesn't have the retail price. I can scan that barcode and it might pull something up, but this is actually really, really nice. Heavy duty material. It is white. Be great for a cruise. It is very, very thick. I've talked about Worth in my previous videos about how they just have really good quality. This is really super nice. It zips up the side. I can't believe it's new with tag. Oh, I wish I knew how much this, retailed. It does have a website, so I'll check the website for comps, but it's a size 6. I don't see any flaws, so that is really good. Depending on this, I don't know for sure, but I think W by Worth is like their cheaper line, but I could be wrong, so don't quote me on that. Moving on. So that was good. I'll definitely have to come back on here and let you guys know if it's sold. So in the comments below, I'll let you know how things are getting sold. All right, so here is a purple tank top. Has some really pretty beading along the neckline, and it is Michael Kors. That's a good brand as well. Sells anywhere between, I don't know, 20 and 35, I would say. So, but I just noticed that there's some beading missing. So I can either take the beading off of that entire row, because the other row is okay with the beading, and maybe list it that way, just that it's missing the beading there. I'm trying to see if there's any other flaws. There's a little leaf or something on it, but no, it looks to be in good condition. Size medium. So that, I'll probably list it for maybe 20 or 18 and just accept best offer on that one. All right, next is something for the winter. Ooh, this is cute. Okay, so far, I think that this box has been pretty decent. The sizes have been appropriate for the medium, and I have gotten some good brands. So this is Lucky brand. I do like to sell Lucky brand. It is out of season, but this is super duper cute. It's a long sleeve, but it has this ruffle detail at the top, which is so cute and classic. And it feels like really great material. It's probably just cotton, but it feels really nice. Oh no, I don't see a material tag. Let me check here. Yeah, I don't see a material tag. It's very, very, very soft. I feel like it might have a cashmere blend to it or something. It's very, very soft, stretchy. I don't see any flaws, so that's really nice. All right, so next, okay, I hope this isn't super fancy brand. I've never seen this brand before. Jean-Claude Pierlot, Rome. It seems nice. I think it's a mini dress. So here's the top. It has a clasp there in the front, elastic waistband, kind of fake wrap down at the bottom. It doesn't feel super fancy. You can just feel quality. It feels very thin, but 100% polyester, size medium. So I'll have to look that up. If you happen to know this brand, please comment below. This would be a really pretty Valentine's Day or maybe holiday dress. So kind of an occasion dress. That's really pretty. A very lightweight. All right, next is this Chico's The Ultimate Tee, size 1. I assume that means a size 1X if it's like Torrid. I could be wrong though. This kind of looks small. Size 1. I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments below, but I'm still going to assume that it's a 1X just based on the style. So it's just kind of a basic tee, lime green. It seems to be in good condition. I don't see any flaws on that. So that's good. It's not going to sell for a lot, but that is a-okay. All right, next is another, this is nice. It's a sweater, and it is by Talbot's, size medium petite. I wonder if this came from the same person, maybe. It's super cute. I would wear this. It's just kind of a basic sweater, but it does have kind of this, you can't see it on camera, but there's this like laser cut. I don't know, there's like a cutout here in the sweater. So this is really, really cute. I don't even see any pilling or anything like that. So I will probably list this. It does have 5% cashmere, so that's a good, good seller. So I'll probably list this. I might wait until the fall to list that, but that's nice. All right, looks like we have 3 or 4 more things. All right, this I can already tell looks kind of dated. All right, this is another Chico's, size 1. And correct me if I'm wrong about the sizing. I'm just assuming because Torrid does the size 1 thing and it means a 1X. But this doesn't look like a 1X to me, honestly. It looks like a large maybe. So 3/4 sleeves, just has a really cute print pattern on it. Here's the back. I don't really sell Chico's. It's not a brand I typically pick up, but this is nice, so I may see if my mom can wear that, or I might list it. I mean, I might try it out. Next, so it looks like we have a lot of sweater type and other Talbots. Talbots size medium. This is super cute, actually. It's a cardigan, and it has these really pretty studs that are silver on it. It does zip up. Ooh, I might keep this. This is nice. I don't think any of them are missing. That's one thing with embellishments you have to check and make sure there's nothing missing. But long sleeved, has a ribbed sleeve there, and it does zip. Let's make sure the zip works. Sorry, I'm trying to hurry. Okay, yes, it does zip up. This is really cute. This is really good for anything, really. Any spring, a spring wedding or something you may need a layer, or in the winter, of course. Yeah, that's pretty nice. All right, looks like 2 more. Ooh, I really like this. All right, so this is Ralph Lauren jeans. So it's Lauren, Ralph Lauren. It's the green label, size medium, and it's this ivory long sleeve. I really love this detail here on the shoulder. It only has it on the one side, but it also has the patches on the elbows, and it does have the logo here on the bottom of the shirt. This is super duper cute. I can't keep everything, but if I could wear this, I might wear it. Oh, it even has the little logo on the zipper. So this is nice. I don't see any stains. That's kind of a thing you have to watch out for with this color, but I don't even see any armpit stains or anything. So that's really nice. I like that. All right, last item. All right, so this is Forever 21 medium. Forever 21 is not a brand I pick up. They don't resell for a lot at all. But this is cute. So it's kind of an oversized tank. Here's the top, but it's extremely flowy here at the bottom. Kind of a tunic length. Very large here at the bottom. So this could be a size large, you know, someone could fit, I could fit in this. That's really cute. All right, so let's count the items. That's it. 1, 2, all right, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so I got 12 items. So I don't know how much that makes my price per item, but I think it was a decent box. I'd love to hear your guys' review, but I would purchase that again. I think that was a really great deal, and I will probably do what it said here, the affiliate program where you can post a picture and tag them and get 10% off, and then maybe order another box. So let me know what you guys think. If you happen to know something about some of those brands that I wasn't really sure about, comment below. I'd love to hear your feedback. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you, and I'm going to see you guys next time.